Good morning, one and only present here. Respected teachers, principals, and all the judges. Hello, my name is Priya Gloda and I am from grade 5th. Today, I am going to tell an amazing book review of Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. So, can I start again? Good morning, one and only present here, respected teachers, principals, and all the judges. Hello, my name is Priya Gloda and I am from grade 5th. Today, I am going to tell an amazing book review of Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. So, the whip cracked, the hooves thundered, and the heart of a brave black horse rose a question that still echoes: why must kindness be learned the hard way? This is how Black Beauty teaches that kindness costs nothing and that animals deserve to love and care. In my opinion, reading The Black Beauty is just like going to an emotional ride full of joy, fear, loyalty, pain, trust, and hope. Beauty's journey kept me on the edge of my seat from start to finish. What touched me the most was Beauty's unbreakable spirit. No matter how hard life became, but he stayed gentle and calm, truly proving that he had a heart of gold. There were moments where life knocked him down, but he always managed to pick himself up and keep going. When the world seemed cruel to the core, the beauty continued to turn the other cheek and show his kindness. His bond with good caretakers showed that kindness grows when people go to extra mile. What makes this book unforgettable is how honesty it shows by a horse eye. It makes you realize that how easily humans can hurt or heal without even noticing. Yes, reading the book made me realize that don't judge a book by its cover because even the strongest creatures can be carrying pain inside them. And the most I like think that kindness costs nothing and that animals deserve too. This book didn't just entertain me, it changed the way I look at animals. It reminded me that animals deserve kindness, love, and care and pain just like we do. And a small act of care can move mountains. There is a quiet wisdom woven into every chapter of Black Beauty. The story doesn't rush, it allows the reader to read, feel, understand, and grow alongside beauty. To grow alongside beauty, the life lessons from Black Beauty. Imagination is a universal language. Patience is stronger than force. And the main last thing, every action has consequences. Every action has consequences. What makes this book unforgettable and why should everyone, especially students, read this book? Because it builds empathy, it teaches moral understanding, it improves emotional growth, and it teaches responsibilities. So a small act of care can move mountains. There, if we choose kindness, every creature can find its way home. Every creature can find its way home, and Black Beauty tells us that a gentle hand can move mountains. Thank you.